Welcome to the Terra State Community College Library Zone. Let's take a look at how to use the library's Quick Search feature. First, let's go to the library page. Find the web catalog link. Then access the Quick Search area. Select Full Text and Peer Review. Type in your search term. Your search results will appear. You have several options available to you at this point. You'll see there are a number of search result items. You can also narrow your search. The screen will indicate when that process is taking place. Find an article. To access full text, you must log in. Find Terra State on the list. Then type in your name and identification number. An authentication message will appear. Your article results will reappear, and you can find your article once again. Here is the full text of our article. We can also add related articles to our session by using our existing results. We've found another article that will work for us. Here it is. We need to sign into our EBSCO account to access special features. If you don't have one, please create one. Once you've signed in, you can email, print, or save your article. You can also cite it. Let's try emailing the article to our email account. You can add notes to it too if you wish. You will receive a confirmation message when the email is on its way. You can check to see if the article is in your email box. All of the information is included: the title, the author, subjects, etc. If you have questions, you can email us and call us at either number listed. We will also have instant messaging capabilities soon. We'll help you find whatever you need to have a great educational experience. Thank you. Have a great day in the zone.